Today we're looking at Mitsubishi POK 1010. It's a 4-inch by 4-inch sewing area. It's a G series direct drive, pre-owned. It's a great machine made in Japan, and we're gonna do a vertical bar tack on some webbing here. It does come with 2-stage clamping, which is great. And here we go. And 2-stage clamping is really great because it helps you be able to position and nest your product, and just makes it a lot easier. All right, one more time. Kind of ran off the edge there. Let me do this one more time. Now you can program this machine to pretty much do any design within its 4 by 4 inch capacity. And as you can notice here, it has a display window on your LED. It shows you the stitch pattern that you're fixing to utilize, and you can store up to 100 programs. Now we do carry a variety of equipment here at DEMA Automation. We carry cutting equipment, all different types of sewing equipment, heavy duty stitching machines, you name it. We got quite a variety of pattern sewing machines, pre-owned, new, large. One of our best sellers is our DEMA line, and we have them in every size imaginable. Carry JUKI product as well, heavy duty stitching machines. We're distributor for Dirt Cup Adler. So if you have any type of sewing needs and want to automate your application, you know, this is what we specialize in. We have webbing cutters, all different types of sewing equipment. Give us a call at 1-888-492-5553. Thank you.